In this video we're going to look at how to have more than one chart file open and tiled side by side. So a difference to having two charts in one Knit2 file. This will allow you to view two different chart files at the same time to compare but not actually have them combined as one file. So as you can see in the tab menu here in Stitch Mastery, I have two different Knit2 files open, and I can click between them. When I click between them, the output text, the outline, the key all change to match whichever chart I have open. And I am now going to click on the tab for the second chart file. I'm going to use the left button on my trackpad and I'm going to click and hold down and then drag using the trackpad, or if you're using a mouse, obviously click down with the button and scroll your mouse across. And if you look in the drawing area, as I'm dragging the cursor around, we have a faint grey double line which is coming right across the drawing area and also across the palette. So this is cutting my screen in half along the horizontal. And as I scroll further to the right, the line becomes a vertical line cutting through the screen vertically, so splitting it in half. So if I now release the button on my trackpad, you'll see that Stitch Mastery now has these two separate chart files open side by side, and you can tell which chart is selected by the fact that the tab is white along with the background of the drawing area. So the chart over here is not active and the tab is grey. So in the outline and the output text, this is all referring to this chart. But if we just click into anywhere in the drawing area for the first chart, then we'll see that this all becomes active for that chart. And you can drag these areas to suit both the chart area for the drawing area and also the output text and outline. This can all be changed to suit. And of course you can minimize your palette. You can also minimize all of these. I'll link in the description below to the video which explains how to minimize all of those and rearrange your layout that way. And if you're finished comparing and contrasting your charts and you wish to go back to the normal one tab taking up the whole screen view but still keep the other chart open, then again just click and hold on the tab title of the chart and just drag your cursor back over to be in line with the other tab, release it, and we're back to having just the normal one chart file taking up the whole screen and the two tabs available.